I'd like you to think about a single drop of water and how small it is. The normal volume of this drop is just 5/100ths of a milliliter. Now, try to imagine what 1/1,000,000th of the volume of that drop of water would look like, or better yet, 100 millionths of that volume. Can you even imagine how tiny that would be? Even further, can you imagine a technology that can manipulate that small amount of liquid? Today, I will show you a technology that does just that. This technology is ideal for anyone looking to precisely control a volume of liquid that is so small it is only visible through a microscope. In this video, I will show you an example of how this technology can be applied to make a very specific amount of liquid. This example will show how we use this technology to make an ionic sensor for the NMT system. As you may remember, NMT is able to detect ionic and molecular fluxes of living samples. One of the key steps to using NMT is to create a sensor from the appropriate liquid ion exchanger. The liquid ion exchanger, which we call LIX, is a critical component to making these ionic sensors. But to create an ionic sensor, we need to make sure the micropipette, which has an opening as small as 2 micrometers, is holding the accurate volume of LIX. To achieve the accurate volume of LIX, we use the Automatic Sensor Making Station, also known as ASMS. This technology is the world's first of its kind. It is able to automatically make ionic sensors without the hassle that comes with manual sensor making stations. More importantly, it not only makes NMT more user-friendly, but it also results in more reliable and consistent data. With the help of 3 lights, the ASMS tells us the volume of our LIX. If the volume is too low, a yellow light will appear, and if the volume is too high, a red light will show. But a green light will appear if the LIX is at the desired volume. All you have to do is push a button, and the ASMS will achieve the LIX volume that you require. When you see the green light and you hear a beep, you are all done. It's that simple. The ASMS is able to manipulate a very small volume of LIX to create the ionic sensors needed for the NMT system. But remember, this is just one example of how the ASMS can be applied into scientific research. People who work in the fields of biomedical science, environmental science, chemistry, organic chemistry, and pharmacology could all benefit from this technology, but they're not the only ones. If you need to accurately manipulate precious liquids with a volume as small as 1.5 millionths of a milliliter, Younger USA's technology will bring your research to the next level. As you can see, Younger USA's Automatic Sensor Making Station can accurately manipulate a tiny volume of liquid for testing. This is not only helpful for researchers, but it is also a huge advantage to industrial sectors around the world. If you care about the precise volume of the liquid you are working with, you will undoubtedly benefit from the ASMS. If you are interested to learn more about the Automatic Sensor Making Station, please subscribe now or visit our website. Thank you for watching.